When using a ketogenic diet, your body becomes more of a fat burner than a carbohydrate-dependent machine. Several researches have linked the consumption of increased amounts of carbohydrates to development of several disorders such as diabetes and insulin resistance. By nature, carbohydrates are easily absorbable and therefore can also be easily stored by the body. Digestion of carbohydrates starts right from the moment you put them into your mouth. As soon as you begin chewing them, amylase, the enzymes that digest carbohydrate, in your saliva is already at work acting on the carbohydrate-containing food. In the stomach, carbohydrates are further broken down. When they get into the small intestines, they are then absorbed into the bloodstream. On getting to the bloodstream, carbohydrates generally increase the blood sugar level. This increase in blood sugar level stimulates the immediate release of insulin into the bloodstream. The higher the increase in blood sugar levels, the more the amount of insulin that is released. Insulin is a hormone that causes excess sugar in the bloodstream to be removed in order to lower the blood sugar level. Insulin takes the sugar and carbohydrate that you eat and stores them either as glycogen in muscle tissues or as fat in adipose tissue for future use as energy. However, the body can develop what is known as insulin resistance when it is continuously exposed to such high amounts of glucose in the bloodstream. This scenario can easily cause obesity as the body tends to quickly store any excess amount of glucose. Health conditions such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease can also result from this condition. Keto diets are low in carbohydrate and high in fat and have been associated with reducing and improving several health conditions. One of the foremost things a ketogenic diet does is to stabilize your insulin levels and also restore leptin signaling. Reduced amounts of insulin in the bloodstream allow you to feel fuller for a longer period of time and also to have fewer cravings. Medical benefits of ketogenic diets. The application and implementation of the ketogenic diet has expanded considerably. Keto diets are often indicated as part of the treatment plan in a number of medical conditions. Epilepsy. This is basically the main reason for the development of the ketogenic diet. For some reason, the rate of epileptic seizures reduces when patients are placed on a keto diet. Pediatric epileptic cases are the most responsive to the keto diet. There are children who have experienced seizure elimination after a few years of using a keto diet. Children with epilepsy are generally expected to fast for a few days before starting the ketogenic diet as part of their treatment. Cancer. Research suggests that the therapeutic efficacy of the ketogenic diets against tumor growth can be enhanced when combined with certain drugs and procedures under a press-pulse paradigm. It is also promising to note that ketogenic diets drive the cancer cell into remission. This means that keto diets starves cancer to reduce the symptoms. Alzheimer's disease. There are several indications that the memory functions of patients with Alzheimer's disease improve after making use of a ketogenic diet. Ketones are a great source of alternative energy for the brain, especially when it has become resistant to insulin. Ketones also provide substrates, cholesterol, that help to repair damaged neurons and membranes. These all help to improve memory and cognition in Alzheimer's patients. Diabetes. It is generally agreed that carbohydrates are the main culprit in diabetes. Therefore, by reducing the amount of ingested carbohydrate by using a ketogenic diet, there are increased chances for improved blood sugar control. Also, combining a keto diet with other diabetes treatment plans can significantly improve their overall effectiveness. Gluten allergy. Many individuals with gluten allergy are undiagnosed with this condition. However, following a ketogenic diet showed improvement in related symptoms like digestive discomforts and bloating. Most carbohydrate-rich foods are high in gluten. Thus, by using a keto diet, a lot of the gluten consumption is reduced to a minimum due to the elimination of a large variety of carbohydrates. Weight loss. This is arguably the most common, intentional use of the ketogenic diet today. It has found a niche for itself in the mainstream dieting trend. Keto diets have become part of many dieting regimen due to its well-acknowledged side effect of aiding weight loss. Though initially maligned by many, the growing number of favorable weight loss results has helped the ketogenic to better embraced as a major weight loss program. Besides the above medical benefits, ketogenic diets also provide some general health benefits which include the following. Improved insulin sensitivity. This is obviously the first aim of a ketogenic diet. It helps to stabilize your insulin levels, thereby improving fat burning. Muscle preservation. Since protein is oxidized, it helps to preserve lean muscle. Losing lean muscle mass causes an individual's metabolism to slow down, as muscles are generally very metabolic. Using a keto diet actually helps to preserve your muscles while your body burns fat. Controlled pH and respiratory function. A ketogenic diet helps to decrease lactate, thereby improving both pH and respiratory function. A state of ketosis therefore helps to keep your blood pH at a healthy level. Improved immune system. Using a ketogenic diet helps to fight off aging antioxidants while also reducing inflammation of the gut, thereby making your immune system stronger. Reduced cholesterol levels. Consuming fewer carbohydrates while you are on the keto diet will help to reduce blood cholesterol levels. This is due to the increased state of lipolysis. This leads to a reduction in LDL cholesterol levels and an increase in HDL cholesterol levels. Reduced appetite and cravings. Adopting a ketogenic diet helps you to reduce both your appetite and cravings for calorie-rich foods. As you begin eating healthy, satisfying, and beneficial high-fat foods, your hunger feelings will naturally start decreasing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified soon as we upload more awesome videos.